Kaperton pulit jangka first MLP Battalion kalakenjo sya umaumer basan posnem. Nadu belaseng yaka. Kenang banele persya iki kambaman ki baharukam haga jela Meghalaya hi barok kawai. Kumsi benta ban pensaana mekene kejingdap san posnem. Haka arterik mentau benai jemang arhajar arpuar la rakhe kerpang ru ikesni haka jaka terekam jangkene kaperton pulit kabadan hamauyong haka nong ba shelong. Ya kini kejing rakhi kini kesni lepenlong hamadan kilan met kebadan hakakut ajing hikai ya ki pulit jangka first MLP Battalion Hamauyong. Da kejing ya pariet ki perton pulit. Kajing kular ki pulit bantre jana ya kakam bala bensyat haki bat ki wedi ki program ki bala penbuat hadian kejing elang. Hagani kesni ledon rengkat ru Menteri Sarkar ubakmi ya ketenat korbari kejela ubakmi ru kerpang ya ketenat pulit ubak la kemen rumbui ubala longkongsan hakajing elang ubala syimru ikeseliut hakajing ya pariet. Kiwede kebeledon lang hakan kejeng rakyat Jubilee Kesiar jangka first MLP Battalion ki kentup ya ke special DGP jangka jela Meghalaya ikong Ainongrang ke komandan jangka first MLP Battalion ikong Claudia Lengwa bat kiwede ki officer pulit. Habakeran kejeng lang kumukongsan hakan kesni ubak lakmen remboi ula banjur halor kejeng dan kam ban penjanai kejeng syakri ki patba kejela bat kamtam ban wanra kejeng syania ki patba ki pulit bat kejeng dai kebajan ban yo kejeng terilang bat ki patba bat ki emlang salang borok kawai. Hakabayday bagajing stat ki pulit bani okya miki brio ki balik akam seniau ne ki wedi ki kampen teriam ki emlang salang. Uni Menteri Sarkar ula ai kejingero ban ai mensiam ki pulit bakendang la ban ai jing syakri ke bapa katam ban wanra ke syongsuk syongsan haga jela berokowei. Uba lakmen remboi ke negesi ula kular ru baka Sarkar kan ai kejing kersan ke bapura. Hakabayday bagajing dan kam jengki pulit ban penjanai ya ke kam jengki.
Number 6 contingent is led by the Mupi ABSI Wansuk Matha, who is a mountaineer and an Everester. She scaled Mount Everest on 18 May 2013 at 8:30 a.m. and unfurled the unit flag on top of Mount Everest.
और इनके पीछे फर्स्ट बटालियन का पाइपलाइन जिसका नेतृत्व कर रहे कमांड कर रहे हैं एबीएसआई वीरेंद्र बाशुमत्री और एबीएसआई स्टार सम्मारक. अपने हाथों को शोइंग करने का तरीका और इनके पीछे फर्स्ट बटालियन का पाइपलाइन जिसका नेतृत्व कर रहे कमांड कर रहे हैं एबीएसआई वीरेंद्र बाशुमत्री और एबीएसआई
I'm sure all the personnel of this battalion have served with dignity, responsibility, and the best for the state. It is because of the service rendered by them that the police department as a whole could overcome so many challenges at hand. Policing nowadays, as the commandant has already mentioned, it is very difficult. It is very challenging in this new world order. The police personnel are living in a glass house where everybody trying to judge and judge what they are doing and what they are in discharging their duties. And society needs policing, but there is always a mistrust between the society and the action of police, no matter what. Having said that, it is because of the selfless sacrifice made by the policeman that we are able here today. The Meghalaya Police as a whole have achieved many things in the past and also now, but it's a continuous process. The dynamic of crime is changing, the dynamic of investigation is changing, and the dynamic of presenting of charge sheet is changing. I'm very happy that the police department as a whole are alive to the situation, and they have empowered themselves to meet all these challenges.